Lemon blueberry cupcakes are perfectly tender and moist, with fresh lemon zest and blueberry flavors. Prepared with basic ingredients, you'll love this wonderful recipe. To begin, combine the flour and baking powder in a medium bowl. Next, beat the butter, sugar and salt for a few minutes. Also combine eggs, milk, vanilla extract and olive oil and whisk it all well. Gradually add liquid ingredients to the batter. If you prefer, you can add lemon zest. And gradually mix in the flour. And add the blueberries. For the blueberries, I prefer fresh ones, but if you're using frozen, be sure to stir them into the batter without thawing, otherwise they will turn the muffins purple. And spoon the batter into muffin cups right to the top. And bake for 30 minutes. You have no idea what a great smell I have now at home. These are really the best blueberry muffins. Enjoy! Bon appétit!